Hi, I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop in Scotia, New York. I'm going to show you furniture repair and refinishing tips. Alright, for your first tip, I like to blend my own finishes. Whatever size container that you have, you take your gloss and your satin, and no matter what size container you have, you take 1 cup of gloss and 2 cups of satin, and you blend them into one container. We've been using this product for 20 years, and it comes out a great semi-gloss finish. Tip 2 is what I like to use, I like to use a rag when I polyurethane furniture. You're going to get a rag that's a little bit larger than the size of your hand, and you're going to fold it a couple of times. So when you're wiping it on and you're wiping it off, you've got complete control with what you're doing in the palm of your hand. Tip 3 is what I like to do is after I blend my finishes and I put them in the container, I still like to thin them out just a little bit. You want the consistency of the polyurethane to be thinner than that of motor oil when you feel it between your fingers. If it's too thick, I can go ahead and add a little bit more mineral spirits to it, especially the first coat. We want that first coat to flow. And what I mean flow is no snags or stop marks when I go to put this on the furniture. Tip 4, I like to use a vacuum to vacuum out the polyurethane out of the carvings, the cracks and crevices. You take a cloth, you put it over the top of your vacuum, you put a rubber band over the top of that. What I'm doing is I'm just going over the entire surface where I think there's going to be a run mark, and I vacuum the polyurethane right out of the crack and crevice. It eliminates all of the run marks and gives you a nice clean finish in one application. I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop in Scotia, New York. This was furniture repair and refinishing tips.